This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make fried poached eggs. First, fill a pot with about 3 inches of water and bring it to a gentle simmer, not a rolling boil. Add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar. This helps the egg whites set nicely. Carefully crack each egg into a separate small bowl, then gently slide them one by one into the simmering water. Poach for about 3 to 4 minutes until the whites are set and the yolks are still runny. Once your eggs are perfectly poached, use a slotted spoon to carefully lift them out of the water. It's crucial to place them onto a few layers of paper towels. Gently pat them dry to remove as much excess moisture as possible. This step is vital because any remaining water can cause splattering when the eggs hit the hot oil, and it prevents them from getting that desired crispy exterior. Now, for the frying. Heat about 2 tablespoons of butter or your preferred cooking oil in a non-stick pan over medium heat. Once the butter is melted and shimmering, or the oil is hot, carefully place your dried poached eggs into the pan. Fry them for about 1 to 2 minutes per side, or until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and a wonderfully crispy texture. Your delicious fried poached eggs are now ready. Immediately season them with a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Serve them hot on a piece of crispy toast, alongside some creamy avocado, or as a topping for your favorite grain bowl. They are incredibly versatile and add a gourmet touch to any meal. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.